It's about time we got some rights! Right, guys?
Be defeated! A people united will never be defeated!
Absolutely wonderful. They're the ones that are going to take us across the finish line.
When you want it.
March means coming together. I mean, all of these people all want to have their say. They all want to be heard. But it's really a collective effort. And I think there's a general feeling of camaraderie, of togetherness here today. I think everyone's glad to be here with all these people in agreement over this one big issue. It's very important.
I mean, I just moved to DC about 2 years ago. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri, and just having people from all over, I've talked to so many people today so far, and having so many people here standing with you, especially the straight allies, is so meaningful. So it's just a boost of joyous energy. I love it.
I think the real issue is that we have to convince Congress to act. Obama signaled last night at the HRC dinner that he will enact legislation we need. We need Congress to act, and we need to convince Congress to act. The people are with us. We need Congress with us too.
Well, I guess the first was having our lives closeted. We weren't out at work, and so every reference to family was kept private. And then we realized how wrong that was, and started coming out. And we've been out for most of our life together.
I have decided to sit no longer, but instead to stand up and get more young, straight people standing up alongside me.
Lieutenant Choi was notified of discharge proceedings under the military's Don't Ask, Don't Tell policy, criminalizing honesty among LGBT service members.
They say that this country is free, and they say that this country is equal, but it is not equal if it's sometimes. Obama, I know that you're listening. Are you listening? We will continue to push you and your administration to bring your words of promise to a reality. We need change now. We demand actions now. And to Barney Frank, we are putting more than pressure on this grass, and today this grass is ours.